माता भूमिये पुत्रो अहम पृथिव्याः पर्जन्य पिता स उन्नयः पिपर्तु। भूमि हमारी माता तुल्य है, हम सब उसके पुत्र हैं, और पर्जन्य अर्थात मेघ पिता तुल्य है, वे हमें पूर्ण करे, संतुष्ट करें। Across India's diverse landscapes, the land tells many stories of abundance and of loss. Each year, vast stretches of fertile soil are washed away by water and wind. But where the earth struggles, there is hope. Hope shaped by science, by innovation, and by care. At the Indian Council for Agricultural Research, Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation, Dehradun, we turn that hope into action. Our first mandate: research for management of land degradation in a primary production systems and rehabilitation of degraded lands in different agroecological regions of the country, lies at the heart of our mission. From the fragile hill and mountains to semi-arid to arid dry and ravine ecosystem, the Institute assesses the water-induced land degradation processes through research and field experimentations. We develop sustainable practices to restore degraded lands to conserve precious soil and water resources for enhancing productivity and livelihoods. Thus, each rehabilitated landscape becomes a living laboratory, demonstrating that scientific management heal the land and sustain livelihoods. This is where sustain the life through building resilience and achieving land degradation neutrality. Our second mandate: coordinate research network for developing location-specific technologies in the area of soil and water conservation. As India's diversity demands local solutions, Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation leads and coordinates a national network of research centers, each tuned to the unique agroecological conditions of its region. From the fragile hill and mountains to semi-arid to arid dry and ravine ecosystem, our scientific teams develop location-specific soil and water conservation technologies through community participation. These coordinated efforts ensure that our innovations reach farmers, planners, and policymakers alike, creating resilient landscapes and sustainable livelihoods. It is this synergy of science, technology, and teamwork that drives the national mission Viksit Bharat and Resilient Bharat. Our third mandate: training in research methodologies and updated technology in soil and water conservation and watershed management. Conservation grows stronger when knowledge is shared. Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation serves as a national center for training and capacity building in soil and water conservation and watershed management. We train state officers, students, and community leaders in research methodologies, data analysis, modern tools, and field techniques. From advanced drone mapping to field-based participatory planning, our programs prepare the next generation of professionals who will safeguard the nation's soil and water resources through to the blend of traditional wisdom with modern science. Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation continues its journey, conserving every drop of water, every grain of soil, and every spark of hope. Because in conserving the land, we conserve life itself. The science of soil and water conservation is more than a mission. It is our responsibility to the generations to come. Every drop of water saved, every grain of soil preserved, brings life back to the land. Conserving land is sustaining life. Soil is our national heritage. Let's join hands with ICAR-Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation to conserve natural resources to make Viksit Bharat and Resilient Bharat. Soil is soul and water is life. Conserve it.